Hi, it's Karen from Be Green, and today I wanted to show you one of our most popular and our most original products, and that is the Gentle Facial Cleanser. And the reason it's so popular is it's safe to use with all skin types. You can use it if you have dry, mature skin. It's not going to strip your skin. It's not going to dry out your skin, but you could also use it if you have oily skin because it's not going to cause breakouts. It's designed to clean your skin thoroughly without interrupting the natural moisture barrier that your skin has, so it's not going to strip it of all those great oils. Gentle and it's non-irritating, thus gentle cleanser. It's free of all those things like sulfates and silicones and synthetic fragrance and common irritants, and it's going to help reduce the tightness and the uncomfortable feeling that you can sometimes get with cleansers. It will effectively remove daily makeup on your skin. It will effectively remove sunscreens, and it will effectively. It is gentle enough to use in the morning and at night. I have older skin, so I just use it at night to remove everything that built up during the day, but you can certainly use it in the morning as well. I find one of our customer groups that loves this the most is people with sensitive skin because it doesn't irritate their skin. We have lots of customers who have rosacea that are successful using it, customers who have eczema that are comfortable using it. I have extremely sensitive skin, and that's why I developed this. I don't have any problems using it, and I'm allergic to so many ingredients. So let me show you how to use it. Actually, first I'm going to just throw my hair back so I can keep that out of the way while I'm demonstrating how to use it. So the one thing about this cleanser that you have to always remember, and this is very, very important, you gotta shake it aggressively. So we don't add any ingredients that are going to keep it from separating. So the gentle surfactants that are in here and the oils and the clays and the exfoliators, they will separate. So you need to shake it up well. If you've got a new bottle and it's not shaking up well, it's possible that some of the oat flour floated to the top. You can just scoop that out, or maybe we overfilled it, scoop a little bit of that out. You can save it so you can use it, and then just give it a really good shake and everything will mix up really well. Now, the one thing that I always do before I use the cleanser is I just pat a little bit of water on my skin. My hand is wet, and then shake it up. I'm going to put just a small amount. I'd say this is maybe a nickel size amount. You could use more if you'd like, but that seems to do it for me. I'm just going to lather that up in my hands. You'll see we have the cleanser. It's a milky cleanser. It does have some light foaming to it, but it's more of a milky cleanser. It's mostly smooth, but there are some exfoliants in here. There's some oatmeal in here. Which when you first pour it out of the bottle, it might look clumpy, it might look gel-like. That's completely normal. That's what it's supposed to look like. But when you lather it up, as you can see, all of that has worked in nicely. And you just cleanse for, about 30 seconds. Some go around is helpful. Get off all that sunscreen, the makeup, and the pollution for the day. Once you've rinsed it off, then you just towel down. After I do this, I do like to use toner. And then I'll follow up with our Revitalux serum, which is my favorite serum, and then usually the night moisturizer because I'm cleansing at night. But if you're using the cleanser in the morning, make sure to put on a moisturizer with SPF, our day cream if you're going out and about, or if you need a strong one, look for something that's SPF 30 or 50. Have a great day.